Good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, children, let us start with the unit number 9. Unit number 9, Akbar and Birbal. Akbar, you know who is Akbar? Akbar is a king. He is a king and Birbal is minister is. He is assistant to king. Whatever the works will be done, the minister will be taking care of the king's works. Now, let us read the lesson. Once Akbar and his minister Birbal were walking in the palace garden. Now look here, king where is going to stay, children? He is going to stay in palace. He is going to stay in palace. And these both were walking in their garden. The king saw the huge flocks of crows flying around. Now, you know that huge means very big quantity, very big, very more. Huge means it's very big quantity and more. For example, plural it is. Very big means it's a huge quantity. It's a very big. Crows. Flocks means you know what is the meaning of flocks? A group of birds. Flocks means it's called a group of birds and sheeps. It's you know all that birds will be going all together at once only. Yes or no? You will be seeing in the sky. You see top, all birds will be going. Few birds will be going in a group wise. Here also the story is like this only. Now you can see here birds. Introduction I am going to show you all. Birds, king means you know king will be dressed like this and he is looking so beautiful. Count. Count means you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this it is. It's called a fish, house, flying birds. This year you have a birds, flying birds. The story about flying birds and the king and the Birbal and the people of the palace. Now what king is telling here? We can see here. The king and the Birbal, Akbar and Birbal was walking in the garden. The king saw the huge flocks of crows flying around. The king saw crows was flying around. It was flying around there only. He wondered who could ever count the number of crows in the city. He thought a plan that who can count the crows? Let us see. He kept a big task for the people who will count the crows. He immediately ordered this man to count the crows. He ordered one man to count the crows. The king's man went to all parts of the city to count the crows. Crows means you know no children. Crows means what color the crow will be? The crow will be in black in color. You can know this. The crow will be very in black in color. The crow says cow, cow, cow. Yes or no? The crow says cow, cow. The minister and the king was wandering there only. They was walking there. He thought a plan to keep a task. Who can count the crows? The king man went to a part of the city to count the crows. They counted the crows on the rooftop. They counted the crows. The man has counted the crows of rooftop, the house of the top. They counted the crows in the trees. Trees also crows will be. Yes or no? It will be hiding there. It will be taking rest there. They counted the crows near the river bank. River bank means what is the meaning of river bank, children? Edge of the river. Now you can see there, see here, edge of the river. Beside of the river, it will be playing there, it will be eating something. But still they were not sure about the number. The man has counted top of the roof and he counted in the trees. The crows was hiding near the tree. In the trees, he counted the top of the roof and near the bank. But he was not sure, it was not correct number. But still they were not sure about the number of the crows in the city. They discussed among themselves. They discussed about themselves. What they was discussing? First man has come. How many did you count? The first man has told the second man, how much you have counted the crows? Second man told, I counted, the both mans was discussing each other. I counted 240, but I have doubt. He counted 240 crows. First man, is that right number? Are you sure? The first man is asking to second man that it is right number? You counted a correct? You don't have doubt? You're sure that you have got 240. Second man told, for a moment, I thought I saw more crows. But I think I am right. And how many did you count? So second man asked the first man, I am right. I hope I counted correctly. Second man asked the first man, did you count? How much you got the crows there? First man answered the question to second man, I think there are 165 crows. See here, 165 crows he counted here. He counted 240. And the first man answered to second man, I have counted 165 crows. All the man counted the crows, but no one was sure of the numbers. See, first man has counted, second man has counted, but they was not getting exact number. We cannot count the crows, no, wherever it will be moving one place to another place. It won't be staying there only. We cannot count like stars. Stars you can count? No, children, you cannot count stars also. Like this also, these crows also we cannot count. Wherever they want, they go, they come and they go. The king thought it was a right time to ask Birbal. The king was surprised why I gave them task. They could not count properly. So what the king thought, we can ask Birbal. He was the wise man. No, he was very clever man. Birbal laughed and answered. Birbal, they were confused in their counting. It is very simple. There are 200 crows in a city. See, there are 200 crows in a city. Birbal answered. The second man told, but I counted 265. The second man has told, I counted 265. Birbal is telling very less. Birbal answered, some crows have come to visit the city. Some crows have went to different cities, different place. They went. First man, but I counted 140. The first man has told, 140 I counted. Birbal told, some crows have gone to visit their friends. Some crows went to visit their friends. Birbal told that answer. Akbar, king has told that. What he asked Birbal, you see, you are very clever man. Who he told? He told for Birbal. King Akbar understood what Birbal has in his mind. He gave Birbal a bag of gold for humorous answer. Humorous answer means it's a funny answer. It is very funny answer. See, we cannot give an exact number. How many crows were there? So, Birbal has answered a humorous answer. So, the king was feeling very happy. He felt very happy and gave the gold back to Birbal. You children also, you have to be very clever. How you should be clever? When the teacher is teaching in your class, listen carefully, concentrate what the teacher is telling. Yes or no, children? Yes, take some interest. You have to take the question and answer what teacher is sending. Take the question and answers, read daily and study that. Continuously have to practice in your house. Hope you all understood this story, children. No man could tell the perfect answer. Only the Birbal, he was very wise, so he could tell the correct answer. Yes, children, hope you all understood. Thank you, children.